So the Iqoo Z9 is set to be launching on 12th March, but we got everything you need to know about this device before its launch. So there will be two variants, the 8/128GB variant which will be priced at 19,999 rupees and 8/256GB variant which will be priced at around 21,999. But with ICICI and HDFC credit and debit card discounts of up to 2,000 rupees, you can get them at 17,999 and 19,999 respectively from 13 March for Prime members and 14 March for everybody else. So for a starting price of rupees 17,999, this looks like a very good phone for the specs this is offering in this price. So let's get to that. But first, this is everything you get in the box: a soft TPU case, a 44-watt fast charger, a SIM ejector pin, a Type-C cable and some documentations, and also you get two color choices, a brushed green and a graphene blue. I personally like the blue one as that's less flashy as compared to the green one, which also has some patterns in the back. Yes, this is a polycarbonate phone with a matte finished back, and yes, you get a set of stereo speakers setup which gets loud enough and also an IP54 splash resistance, so that's a nice touch. You have a 6.7-inch Full HD plus 120Hz AMOLED display which supports HDR10 content and gives you up to 1800 nits of peak brightness in HDR content. The display is protected by Dragon Trail Star 2 Plus protection. You won't have much problems with the display. You can even play 4K content on YouTube without much issues at all, and overall it's a good looking display for the price. And you also get HDR10 support in Netflix, so that's covered, and also an in-display fingerprint sensor. This phone is powered by the Dimensity 7200, which is a very capable one for the price with LPDDR4X RAM and UFS 2.2 storage speeds. So yeah, for the price, performance shouldn't be an issue with this device. You can also play BGMI at up to 60 FPS in smooth settings. You also get Android 14 out of the box with FunTouch OS 14 and two major Android updates along with 3 years of security patches. But one problem though, you get those unwanted notifications, hot apps, hot games and bloatwares along with this phone. So the first thing that you have to do after getting this phone is to disable or uninstall them quickly to get a more seamless software experience. Overall, it's an Iqoo phone, so under 20,000 this is a really good performing phone, especially for gaming on a tight budget. You basically get a single rear camera, even though it seems like there's two, but there's a 15 megapixel IMX882 Sony main sensor and an useless 2 megapixel lens. No ultra wide angle camera, which I think for a lot of people might be a bummer. So camera phone lovers, maybe you should look over to some other phones in this range for cameras. But don't get me wrong, the main sensor performs decent enough for the price, and you can shoot up to 4K 30 FPS with proper stabilization on this one. Even the 16 megapixel front camera won't disappoint you for the price. So yes, overall decent set of cameras. Just wish there was at least a 5 megapixel ultra wide for at least taking a okay-ish photo. You also get 5000 mAh battery and, as I said, 44 watts fast charger in the box, so battery life shouldn't be a problem for most people. You also get 8 5G bands, 4G plus carrier aggregation and Bluetooth version 5.6 along with Wi-Fi 6 support. So what do you think about this phone? If you had 20,000 rupees, would you buy this? Let me know and see you guys.